Guys, Zach Storm Chaser here. Welcome to another Twisted video. So today we have double moderate risk for day 1 and day 2. So yeah, we have tape up to 3,991 joules per kilogram, temperatures up to 80 Fahrenheit, dew points to 66 Fahrenheit, storm moving 48 degrees northeast at 60 miles per hour, good photograph. Very volatile environment today for day 1 and day 2. Super tornado parameters of 8, violent tornado parameters of 2. So we're going to have long track violent wedge tornadoes on the ground. Maybe possibility EF4 plus tornadoes, because there's a 15% SIG2 risk for that today. So we're going to have EF4 plus tornadoes. I'll keep you guys updated once we get some storms popping up. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Right now, guys, we're just getting gas for the vehicle. So I'll keep you guys posted once we get to the storm. So currently, guys, we do have a storm popping up just west of Funkley and north of Hibben. So we're going to go to that storm right now, guys. Keep you guys posted. Right now, guys, we're going towards the storm between Funkley and Hibben right now. So me and Mike will keep you guys posted once we get to the storm and see some rotation. Mike is in the Doppler scanner to read winds, and I'm in a Tahoe, so we'll keep you guys posted. Update, we got a rotating wall cloud. We'll keep you guys posted once there's a funnel or a tornado drop down. Currently we got a tornado warning and it's heading for us right now, so we'll keep you guys posted. Currently we got a tornado on the ground. There's some ground scour, some scud. So that means there's a tornado on the ground. It's about to produce. And we have a funnel on the ground right now. I repeat, a funnel on the ground. So I'll keep you guys posted once it's a full-on tornado. Listen to the roar! Violent tornado! Vortices! Violent tornado! Vortices! Sub-vortices!
I'm getting sucked in. Gotta do anything closer.
Oh my god. Sub-vortices. Violent tornado! Big funnel! Large wedge on the ground! Big wedge! Oh my gosh! Large wedge tornado! Violent wedge, listen to the roar! Oh my gosh! Violent wedge! Violent wedge. Vortices. Oh my gosh. Gotta be kidding me, gotta be kidding me, gotta be kidding me. Beam Brittle, gotta be kidding me, gotta be kidding me, gotta be kidding me. Dominating. Beam Brittle. The tornado's sucking me in. It's trying. Large tornado, 203 miles per hour, I guess. Large tornado. comes Mike. Large tornado. Oh my gosh. Keep it going. Oh! Doing damage! Bright power flashes. Oh my gosh. Doing major damage. Major damage. No, 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 no. So we're heading to the tornado. We'll keep you guys posted. Did some damage to that farmstead over there. That's not good. Leveled the farmstead almost completely. Likely EF4 damage. This is a dangerous situation. Oh my gosh. I think we're leaving this tornado. I'm not sure, so we'll keep you guys posted. Major power flashes. Large wedge tornado on the ground. Large wedge. Gotta be kidding me, gotta be kidding me, gotta be kidding me. Dominating, dominating, dominating. Beam burrito, beam burrito, beam burrito, beam burrito. Gotta be kidding me, gotta be kidding me, gotta be kidding me. Beam burrito, beam burrito, beam burrito, beam burrito. Doing major damage. But this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, this was a crazy day. Look at all the debris! Getting flown out by the tornado! Okay, Zach Storm Chaser out. Peace. Have a great day.